Greetings to everyone. I, Srishti Gupta, the captain of Prosperity House, am here to express my opinions about the marvelous place we call our second home, our school, on its 40th foundation day. Being successful is more of a journey than a destination. The greatest journeys in our lives start off with small baby steps. And the journey of my life began through the gateways of DLDAV Model School Shalimar Bagh over 13 years ago. Looking back, I realized that what matters the most is not the years, but the valuable days. For it speaks of how my time was spent here. I'm proud to say I am from a school which has allowed me to flourish as a student and has provided me not only with education but with special memories which will last a lifetime. Success is possible. However, you have to decide for yourself whether you are willing to work hard or not. It is up to you to understand the value of education and realize that our school is here for our success. If someone is going down the wrong road, he doesn't need motivation to speed up. What he needs is education to turn him around. It's as if we are the drivers in a car taking us down the road to success. We have a steering wheel to choose the direction in which we aim to go. Seatbelts to prevent us from crashing our career. Side mirrors to see the reflection of what we have left behind, and a gear to allow us to move forward in slow but steady stages.
I remember my first day at DLDAV Model School Shalimar Bagh. I was about 2 foot shorter and scared to walk around the corner because of the older kids. During the years at this school, I have been able to conquer my fears, face my obstacle and break apparent boundaries, and this has led me all to talk to you. We are lucky that we all are being educated in a school as great as ours. Our school gives us this opportunity to achieve to the highest standards. We should acknowledge more the hard work teachers do in trying to help us get those grades and reach our goals. I would conclude by saying you may be facing a little hiccup in your education. Face your fear of what is being ahead and jump over those hurdles, but also acknowledge the great education and the opportunity our school has you.
Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Krishna Sharma from class 8D, Prosperity House. I hope you are all doing good in these tough times. It is a moment of pride for me as a DAVian to be the part of our Foundation Day celebrations. Our teachers and staff, under the guidance of Principal Madam, has always strived for the best. It is shown to us in which way things have been done to perfection even in the pandemic. Let us make our school and nation pride.
It is not the beauty of a building you should look at. It's the construction of the foundation that will stand the test of time. Greetings to respected Madam Principal, learned teachers and fellow peer group. Today on the 40th foundation day of our school, I, Kritika Luthra of class 11th of Prosperity House, I am here to express my views and opinions about our prestigious school. I feel immense pleasure in sharing my bon voyage of over 12 years. We celebrate the joy of learning as we develop our mind, body and spirit. And we celebrate the bond that we share with past and present teachers and the fellow students of DLDAV Model School, Shalimar Bagh. In light of increased tensions and disharmony around the globe, we continue to embrace the beliefs that our school was founded upon. How important and relevant this still are today. To our school and to the world we live in. We rejoice the love that bounds us together. Our school has been successful in creating talents in different parts of the society, in the roles of engineers, doctors, artists, and politicians. This achievement is possible only with the capable teachers and the love, care that they show towards the students. On this occasion, we must express deep gratitude to all our teachers who help us learn not the lessons from the books but also qualities that make good human beings. As an ending note, I pray normalcy dawns in and we meet again in the pious environs of our school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ridhirana of class 10th and I am here to present a dance for my all lovely teachers and my principal ma'am. क्योंकि हमारी टीचर से ही हमारे स्कूल की फाउंडेशन है. So happy foundation to all of you. Here we go.
साज तू तेरा तर्ज में, तू है दवा और मर्ज में, दिलदार तू खुद गर्ज में है गीत तू तेरे लफ्ज में, तू है दुआ और फर्ज में, आजाद तू और कर्ज में है शाम तू तारीफ में, तू चैन है तकलीफ में, तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में, है ख्वाब तू ताबीर में, माना तुझे तकदीर में, तेरा हुआ इस भीड़ में, इस भीड़ में है तेरी मेहरबानी के अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए, है तेरी मेहरबानी के बिन जाने सवर गए।
सभी को प्रणाम। मैं अभिषेक रंजन तिवारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी हाउस का छात्र आप सभी के समक्ष अपने प्रिय विद्यालय पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ। जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, जल जाता है वो दिए की तरह, कई जीवन रोशन कर जाता है, कुछ इसी तरह से हर विद्यालय अपना फर्ज निभाता है। अज्ञान को मिटाकर ज्ञान का दीपक जलाया है, विद्यालय की कृपा से ही मैंने ये अनमोल शिक्षा पाया है, जिसे देता है हर व्यक्ति सम्मान, जो करता है वीरों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है इंसान को इंसान, ऐसे विद्यालय को हम करते हैं प्रणाम। गुमनामी के अंधेरे में था, पहचान बना दिया, दुनिया के गम से मुझे अनजान बना दिया, उनकी कृपा ऐसी हुई, विद्यालय ने मुझे एक अच्छा इंसान बना दिया। विद्यालय बिना ज्ञान कहाँ, उसके ज्ञान का आदि ना अंत यहाँ। विद्यालय ने दी शिक्षा जहाँ, उठी शिष्टाचार की मूरत वहाँ। दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें। हैं आभारी उस विद्यालय के हम, जो किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें। विद्यालय तेरे उपकार का कैसे चुकाऊं मैं मोल, लाख कीमती धन भला, गुरु है मेरे अनमोल, विद्यालय है मेरे अनमोल। धन्यवाद।
Hello, I am Guru Pratap Singh of class 11th and of Prosperity House, and today I'll be reciting a poem I wrote for the joyous occasion, that is, our school's Foundation Day. Now, there might be some ambience / unrequired noise that may come, and I would like if you could excuse it. Apart from that, the poem is titled Grounds of Knowledge, and I wholeheartedly hope that all of you enjoy it. In grounds of knowledge we learn, we seek, in bound of duty we question, we meek, in bound to light lie words abyss, speaking truth hidden amiss. In dwellings we lay all our books for now, calling for when called for bow. Read we the gain of worlds, learning through to wings we furl. In time we see the teachings pass, with a wittier mind and a sturdier mass. In elders we seek answers unspoken, and respect in heart, the balls unbroken. Wisdom we seeked all in our prime, told to earn and not to budge. all to learn from teachers in overtime, and to their minds we pay our homage.